Hey everyone, Mike from elevaite365 here, taking you through a quick guide of the field occurrence feature of our tool. The field occurrence feature is really useful because it enables you to select a specific occurrence of a field on the page. It's most useful for rows in a table where you want to select maybe the first row on the table, or you want to select the last row on the table, but you don't know how many rows there are every time you run the test. So let's go ahead and add an interaction to this test. We'll just add a click. Enable the field inspector tool with the wand icon, give it a few seconds to load up. Okay, let's go ahead and select the first row, just the number field. Perfect, let's give it a better name, so we'll just call it number row. And once you've done that, let's go ahead and click on the advanced options. This will expand and show you the actual selector that's being used to locate the field on this page. And if we see the makeup of this, you can see it finds the grid first, then it finds the row. In this case, it finds the second occurrence because we click this one here, and it always accounts for the row header as well in BC. So 1, 2. And then just below that, it actually finds the individual cell. So it finds the third cell along. Now, if we want to always click on the last row in the table, but we don't know how many rows there are, we can click this last occurrence option, and you'll see it updates it to -1. What this will do is it always count, every time you run it, it'll count how many rows there are and always select the last row. So let's try that out. Run step. So you would have noticed when we used the field inspector the first time, we selected the first row. Now we've changed it to find the last occurrence of the row, so it should select the last row in this table, and there you go. So yeah, this is really useful for dealing with tables, specifically rows, or even any element on the page that gets repeated several times and you don't know how many times or how many occurrences there might be, but you always want to click on the last. If you have any questions, reach out to our team.